Picture this, a dawn where humanity inches closer to global connectivity, with satellites lighting up the night sky like digital stars. But is this technological leap a game changer for the world, or are we cluttering the heavens? SpaceX's latest Starlink mission has us all pondering the future of the internet in orbit. And trust me, you won't want to miss the twists ahead. As of October 16th at 6:50 a.m. EDT, 10:50 UTC, SpaceX has officially confirmed the successful deployment of its 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit. This update follows an earlier adjustment. On October 15th at 3:07 p.m. EDT, 19:07 UTC, the company delayed the original liftoff time to ensure everything was set for a smooth operation. In a thrilling pre-dawn spectacle from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, SpaceX kept expanding its ambitious Starlink satellite network. For those new to this, Starlink is SpaceX's constellation of satellites designed to provide high-speed internet access to remote and underserved areas worldwide, aiming to bridge the digital divide. This Thursday morning's mission, dubbed Starlink 1052, lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at precisely 5:27 a.m. EDT, 0927 UTC. Coming hot on the heels of a Space Development Agency, SDA, launch in California the previous afternoon. This marked SpaceX's 130th Falcon 9 rocket flight of the year, a testament to their relentless pace. According to Jonathan McDowell, a renowned astronomer and orbital tracking expert, this launch added 28 advanced V2 Mini satellites to the existing fleet of 8,600 already circling Earth. To put this in perspective, these V2 Mini models are sleeker, more efficient versions that help reduce costs and improve coverage. Out of the over 125 Falcon 9 missions SpaceX has conducted so far in 2025, a whopping 91 were dedicated to bolstering this Starlink network before today's edition. It's like building a massive puzzle in the sky, piece by piece. The weather gods were kind for this endeavor. The 45th Weather Squadron predicted an impressive 95% chance of favorable conditions during the pre-dawn launch window, with only minimal risks from cumulus clouds potentially interfering. For beginners wondering why weather matters so much in space launches, think of it as avoiding a cosmic game of dodgeball. Rain, thick clouds, or high winds can jeopardize the rocket's ascent or the booster's return. Speaking of which, the landing zone for the Falcon 9's first stage booster, identified as B1095, faced a moderate risk rating on a low to high scale. This is similar to the forecast for the Kuiper Falcon 03 mission, which also ended in a successful launch and landing. B1095, on its third flight after supporting 2 earlier Starlink missions this year, was expertly recovered about 8.5 minutes post-launch by SpaceX's drone ship Just Read the Instructions. This recovery notched up to the 138th landing on that vessel and the 519th overall booster touchdown, showcasing SpaceX's reusable rocket technology that's revolutionizing space travel. But here's where it gets controversial. With thousands of satellites already orbiting and more on the way, some experts worry about space debris and light pollution disrupting astronomical observations. Is this rapid expansion worth the risk to our view of the stars? And this is the part most people miss. How does this affect global internet equity? While Starlink aims to democratize connectivity, critics argue it could exacerbate inequalities if pricing remains out of reach for the poorest regions. What do you think? Does the promise of ubiquitous internet justify potentially crowding our shared orbital space? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you see this as progress or a potential disaster waiting to unfold? Falcon 9. https://spaceflightnow tag Falcon 9. SpaceX https://spaceflightnow SpaceX. Spaceflightnow.com tag SpaceX. Starlink https://spaceflightnow.com, tag Starlink. Starlink 1052. https://spaceflightnow.com/Starlink 1052. Related articles.